I have this star. I had this laying around. I'm going to be using the back side of it. It has a little raised star on the front, and I'm going to stick with the back side. I'm taking this glittery duct tape and placing it across my star. I just wanted to avoid dealing with glitter, and this was quite easy and kind of did the job. This duct tape was very glittery. I believe I either picked it up at the Dollar Tree or Walmart, I know has it, and possibly even Dollar General. Actually, you know what? It was Dollar General for sure. So once I had the duct tape all the way across, I just flipped it over and used a pair of scissors to cut out the pattern. I'm going to set that aside. I have this 10-inch grapevine wreath that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and then some blanket snow. And I'm just going to cut a piece of the blanket snow, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again, and then kind of just shape it to look like a blanket, a baby in a swaddling clothes, using a wooden bead. I'm gluing it in the top portion, and then I'm just going to use the hot glue to help me shape my blanket. And I'm going to glue it to my wreath at the bottom. Now I'm going to take my star, I'm going to glue a craft stick and a piece of wire underneath the craft stick to the back of my star. And now I can attach that to the top portion of my grapevine wreath using the wire in the back end. I have this little small piece of wood. I picked it up at the Dollar Tree. You can now buy little pieces of wood in the craft section, and this is leftover mesh stencil by a maker studio that I had left over from making my cards. So I'm going to use this on this wood using our chalk paste in the black and a spreader, and then I'm going to be able to wash and reuse this stencil again, and it says Peace on Earth, and then I'm going to hot glue that, layering it on my star. Guys, this is a really easy craft, last minute Christmas craft. You could do this with the kids. It's a nice reminder. And most of us have these items laying around the house. And I'm just going to put a piece of jute as a hanger. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com.